Shopify website SEO tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can manage your search engine optimization on it in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to shopify.com, and right over here, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to go ahead and create ourselves a new account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Free Trial. Now, you can sign up with anything. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with an email address. Okay, you can go ahead and sign up with your Apple ID, your email, your Facebook, whatever you want. But this is the most simplest way to sign yourself up. Okay, so once we're over here, what we're going to do is we're going to add in our email address. And once we've done that, we're going to add in our password. So once all the things are added, you're going to click on Create Shopify Account, where it's going to take you through to the onboarding. So we're simply going to skim ourselves through this. So where would you like to sell? I'm going to go with an online store. Which best describes you? I'm going to go with I'm not selling yet. And what do you plan to sell? I'm going to go with products I buy or make myself. Now, once you do that, we're going to click on Get Started, and it brings us to this section, where it says, which plan do you want to try? Now, the best part about Shopify is that it has three plans, and those three plans are one of the most cheapest e-commerce solutions that you can find, with the first 3 months at a $1. Okay, that is incredible. And the first 3 days are totally for free for you to check out and to actually use. So I'm going to simply load myself over here. Now, once you've loaded up into this section, to check your SEO, first of all, you can come over to your analytics, where you can find the different things that are going on in your Shopify store, how many sales you're getting, how many clicks you're getting, etc. And you can get live reports and analytics for them right here. Okay, you can see how many orders, how many visitors you get. Now, you can manage your SEO all from this one place, and you can also go ahead and market your different things about your store, and that obviously boosts your SEO as well. But the main search engine optimization work handle would be to improve your keywording and titling. Okay, so where does a person get that for themselves? Now, first of all, what you can do is you can choose any third-party providers out there, like let's say we have SEMrush. Now, again, like SEMrush is a provider that allows you to do online marketing in the easiest and most simplest way, where you can get measurable results from online marketing, where you can do SEO, content marketing, and competitor research. So what you do to use the SEO toolkit is simply go ahead and add in your keyword or your keyframe, and it should give you good looking SEO related keywords out of it. Okay. So you can use something like this for search engine optimization, or what you can do is you can go over to Google Ads. Okay. Now, Google Ads is a place where you can sell online through marketing, and the best part about Google Ads is that it allows you to do keyword researching in the appropriate way. And those keywords obviously are well researched, and you get the analytics on how well are they going to act when you are working them along with the other pairings that you have for your e-commerce store. Okay. And to obviously manage this for yourself, what you are going to be doing is you are, first of all, going to come over to the main dashboard. Now, right here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your search bar, and you're going to search up keyword planner. Okay. And that is what we're going to go to. So the keyword planner basically allows you to not only get the best keywords to work with, but it also shows you all the things that you're going to need for a better SEO. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to click on discover new keywords. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in some keywords. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in black leather jacket. Okay. So let's go ahead and add in something like that. And once you've done that, let's click on get results. So once you click on get results, you can see all of these things over here with the keyword relevance. So black leather jacket has around 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches with high competition, and you get top of page bid with low range and top of page bid with the high range as well. So the lowest range can go up to half a dollar, but it can go up to $3 to $4 as well, which is pretty cool. So obviously, according to this, you can see the competition where it's low. And while where the competition is low, you can also see where the competition will give you good monthly searches. So let's say I'm going to go right about here on average monthly searches. Okay. And for all these competitions, you're going to see the page bids as well to see if the actual SEO or the keyword that you're going to be using is going to get you the proper amount of, visits and page clicks or not. And obviously, according to all of this, like let's say this one over here. Now, for this, what you can do is you can create a new campaign ad group. And once you create that new campaign ad group, you can create a plan on it where basically it's going to market this keyword according to the store that you have added into Google Ads. And obviously, it will market it. And according to that, what's going to happen is you're going to get more clicks through Google's advertisement campaign. Okay, that is one of the coolest things that you can get. And obviously, ahead of the keyword planner, you can also go into the performance planner. Now, the performance planner is a plan that you create for yourself. So let's say this is a 1 month plan. Now, what you're going to be doing is you can set a target for yourself. Like, let's say I'm going to go with this date and range. And once we've done that, what you do is you choose a key metric for yourself. You want to choose that to see how you might perform in something like this, or how you may perform in a more, you could say, regular campaign system. And once you've added this for yourself, you can plan all of your marketing schemes in one place by adding the keywords that you've planned. Or you can also go into the reach planner, which is, available for a few amounts of regions. But obviously, the more reach you plan for yourself, the more audience you gain. And the more audience you gain, obviously, the higher your SEO gets. So, just use Google Ads for matching up keywords according to your Shopify store's niche. And that should set you up with the proper SEO that you're going to be needing for your website in the easiest and most simplest way. So, just to give you all a recap on how you're going to be doing this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is first of all, just go over to your Shopify, make sure everything is set it up and proper, and you've seen all of your marketing analytics. Then what you're going to do, go over to your Google Ads, go ahead into tools, go to planning, and here you get the top 3 planning adversaries that you're going to use for your SEO in any marketing store or e-commerce store that you want to go ahead with. And again, the keyword planning is really easy. All you're going to need to do is you're going to search up a keyword and you're going to see all the different keyword competitions that it has. And you can also get search volume and forecasts for yourself on the historical metrics. So let's say, again, I'm going to go ahead and search up leather jacket. Okay, so this is basically a keyword that we're going to add. And once you do that, simply click on get started. And according to that, you get the proper monthly searches, the competition, and all the different things that you need. And obviously, according to that one keyword that you got in your searches, you can create a campaign and start working on your Shopify SEO webpage. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.